Hello everyone, welcome back to my English class. So now I'm going to help you to review the previous lesson. Unit 4. Have you got a milkshake? Have you got a milkshake? Have you got a milkshake? Chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau ôn tập nội dung của bài số 4 nhé. Listen, point and repeat. Salad, salad, salad. Fries, fries, fries. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Milkshake, milkshake, milkshake. Cheese sandwich, cheese sandwich, cheese sandwich. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Next one. Đã sang phần số 2, đó là phần listen and read. Have you got a milkshake, Rosie? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Have you got a milkshake, Rosie? Yes, I have. Where's Billy? Where's Billy? He's behind the tree. He's behind the tree. Has he got a cheese sandwich? Has he got a cheese sandwich? No, he hasn't. And he hasn't got his salad. Here you are, Billy. Thank you. Billy, do you like the food? Well, they like the food. They? Sorry, Mom. Don't worry, we've got more food. Naughty birds. Naughty birds. Don't worry, we've got more food. Naughty birds. Ok, con hãy nghe lại video của cô và chúng ta sẽ luyện tập nhé. Vậy bên này ạ. Have you got a milkshake? Yes, I have. Have you got fries? No, I haven't. Has he got a cheese sandwich? Yes, he has. Has she got a pizza? No, she hasn't. Okay, now let's move on. Next part. Chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau chuyển sang phần numbers ạ. Now, listen and repeat after me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100. Okay? Now let's move on the song. Let's count to 100. Let's count to 100. It's time to start. 10, 20, 30. Yes, good start. Let's count to 100. It's easy to do. 40, 50, 60. Yes, clever you. Let's count to 100. It's easy if you try. 70, 80. The numbers are high. Let's count to 100. Now we are done. 90, 100. Counting is fun. Okay? That's all today. Bye bye. Các em hãy tua lại video của cô và luyện tập ghi âm trả bài cho cô nhé. Hẹn gặp lại các em.